talking to you about the recent update by Paws Airdrop and their migration from Ton blockchain to Solana blockchain. So if you haven't done it, this video is very, very important, because if you ever miss this particular update, as well as how you can be able to migrate your Paws Airdrop from Telegram to Solana, you run the risk of losing all your tokens when the migration is going to commence, because they are leaving Telegram and moving over their allocations as well as every of their activities towards Solana network, which is on Phantom Wallet basically. So this time around, you are not going to be connecting or doing the airdrop in terms of claiming on Telegram, which is against Telegram's new policy. But currently, Paws is only on Phantom Wallet. So I'm going to show you every single thing and how you can be able to do it completely, so that you don't miss all your allocations and airdrops that you have been farming for months now. So the first thing that you're going to do is to come to first your Phantom Wallet here. As you can see, this is my own Phantom Wallet and it is open. It's my any airdrop account or any of your wallets that you have, you can be able to use it for this particular task. It is self-explanatory and easy to pull off. So this is my Phantom Wallet. Okay, so what you need to do is to go through the last part or the last action on the tax bar, or what you are seeing here below, the last icon there. That's what you need to be able to click. So when you click on it first, it will show you where you can be able to put the site as well as anything related to a URL or a web address. So what you just need to do here is to go here and type Paws. Okay, Paws API community. That's what you just type. It is already showing on the screen. Paws API community. Type it, and so it will show up Paws API community. Every single thing here, it will show up. Then click on it. This is the one that I'm clicking. That's the pause icon here. This is what I'm clicking here because I've already typed it. So I'll just type on it here. It's still the same thing, the same website with what we have been doing since. So every single thing here on now is for you to be able to verify yourself inside Phantom Wallet, no longer on your Ton or your Telegram mini app, inside Phantom Wallet. So you press on verify yourself. Then you see a list of 3 options showing. The one that you should choose is the Phantom Wallet own. That's what you should choose. Not Ton Wallet now. It's Phantom Wallet now, not Ton Wallet. So you click on it. Okay, you click on it and it will open up this sign up. Then all you just need to do is to press the confirm message for you to be able to sign up and wait for it to be able to load for you. Then it has already loaded. So that same account that I already have on my Telegram mini app, it's already here for me. Then every single thing related to it in terms of my claim as well as all my activities, I can now be able to access them on my Phantom Wallet, which is basically what I need to be able to do. So if I go back, this is every single thing related to it and every single thing related to my tax. So that is like how to be able to migrate your Paws Airdrop from your Telegram mini app to your Phantom Wallet for the new migration. So that's basically every single thing. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.